Hey there, I'm David Handel, CEO of the app, formerly known as iDoRecall. We've been rebuilding the next generation of iDoRecall for over a year. In the process of our evolution, we've rebranded. You can start using our next generation version today by going to SmarterHumans.ai. I am also very proud to announce that Dr. Barbara Oakley, creator of the iconic Coursera MOOC, Learning How to Learn, has joined us as a co-founder of Smarter Humans. Smarter Humans has major advances over our legacy product and now, more than ever, will unlock your learning superpowers. If you are an existing iDoRecall user, you will find all your content in Smarter Humans. Just log in there using your iDoRecall credentials. We now lean heavily on AI to help you understand and remember what you've learned. Our unique spaced repetition flashcards are generated by AI and linked to the precise location in your learning materials where you learned the subject of the flashcard. The advantage of this is that if you struggle to recall an answer during memory retrieval practice, you are always one click away from refreshing your memory in the exact location in the content where you learned it. Source-linked flashcards can be generated from files you upload to the Smarter Humans library, and by using our Web Clipper browser extension, you can create linked flashcards to text and regions of interest on web pages and to time codes in online videos on YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, and Vimeo. You can create AI-generated linked flashcards if you take notes in our new note-taking section. You can even create flashcards linked to your Kindle highlights. In addition to our new note-taking section, we've added support for developing your higher-level thinking and metacognition skills. We even use AI to help you comprehend complex concepts as you read. We invite you to create a free account at SmarterHumans.ai to experience what it's like to unlock your learning superpowers.